Food with Vincent.
Hi, I'm Vincent, and today I'll make my favorite food. It is brownies. These brownies are gluten-free. I do not know what that is. First, we need to preheat the oven. Let's go! Heat your oven for 325 degrees. For this, you will need water, oil, mixing bowl, egg, wooden spoon, brownie mix. First, you need to put your brownie mix.
It's harder than it looks.
Next, put in your water and oil. Then you need to mix it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then you'll crack your egg.
Did you see that?
Check for any eggshells. Mix it all around until it's well blended. You clean up your air out when you're done mixing.
Wipe, wipe, wipe your mess.
You need to spray your dishes so the brownies don't stick.
Look, my mom turned me into a cartoon. Filling these dishes is super hard work. So close, I'm almost done.
Shake them around to make them even. Okay, let's put them in the oven. Be careful, my mom helped me because the oven is really hot. We set the timer for 35 minutes and then we check them. I can't wait until my brownies are ready. My brownies are ready, but they're hot. So you need to wait for them to cool. It's time to do our taste test. It's yummy. Do you know what makes it even tastier? Culver's ice cream. Oopsie. It's better. Oops. So good. I hope you like my video. Like and subscribe. Bye. Dr. Pie. Bye. Can't. Stop eating it. It's not good.